This is Super K on Austin Entertainment. Today I want to show you guys how to replace the brake lights on the passenger side, back passenger side brake lights. Nissan Sentra 2007 2.0 is the engine size. So first of all, you need a wrench like this with a supporter and arm. You need 8 number 8 inches. Okay, so all you have to do is take this cover out. It's very easy to take this out and take these nuts, these bolts, like that. So lose it up and come this side. So it's very easy to slowly take this out. So you don't need to, it's gonna be like this. So now this is the light we have to change. So it's pretty bad here. You can see. So grab a new one. So it goes. Before you put it, make sure it's the same thing, yeah, same kind. And slowly, don't shake too much. Press it all the way down. And this go inside. Okay, now before you put it inside, keep like that. So, and I'm gonna go inside and double check it's working. Okay, so you gotta see here. So always when you take this out, you can double check the other bulb. So it look like brand new, so you don't need to worry about that. So make sure you put this connect. So make sure the hole here, all these nuts should go inside this hole. Slowly and press it. Yeah, and you can put the bolts back. Thank you so much for watching Austin Entertainment, Super K. So I'm gonna meet you in the next video. So thank you so much.